First one of yung content ng ating certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to blank, an appreciation your entire dedication, sacrifice, and faithfulness to the ministry of our Lord Jesus Christ, in the steadfastly and faithfully serving the office of senior pastor. We therefore, with sincere gratitude, present to you the certificate of appreciation to your service. Oath the 13th of February in the year of our Lord 2016. From Allied Christian Ministry Church, sa-impose ng ating mga senior pastor. So, this certificate is awarded to Pastor Ernesto Duarte. And next is, the certificate is awarded to Brother Luis Tercero. And the next certificate will be awarded to Sister Josephine and Celia. This certificate is awarded to Sister Ernestine Ian Torres. The next certificate is awarded to Elena Santos. This certificate is awarded to Mr. Luis Dacsan. This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Rinaldo Alejandro. This certificate is awarded to Angelina Mataan. This certificate is awarded to Joselito Barola. And of course, last but not the least, the certificate is awarded to Brother Jules Gonzalez.